Hi guys, I'm back again with another unboxing video. This one I'm so excited about it because it's first Hot Wheels unboxing video, Batman and Batmobile. My first Hot Wheel unboxing video. And this is actually the first ever not blunt pack thing that I unboxed. Yeah, that doesn't show on it. Oh, and look, it actually has Mighty Minis and Superman and Metropolis PD. Don't know what that is. So let's take Batman out first. He looks epic. Batman, dude, fight, you weren't afraid. Oh. Wait, no way, this is Mighty Minis. You can take off his body parts and the cape. I'm going to do this with the Mighty Minis and make parts for it because this is like epic. Yikes. Stay tuned because when I travel back to my home country, there's going to be a lot of cool videos. There's going to be no more unboxing videos like that. So, oh, the Batmobile. No matter. Okay. It doesn't go like that, but I guess that's all I got. Peace. Bye, Batman. Peace.